Hi, this is Bob and welcome back. In the last video, you learned about inner joins, and in this video, you're going to learn about left joins. Let's start with a new query. Let's create a blank SQL editor and create our outline of our query. Again, select and from. And if you recall from the last video, we were interested in two tables. We had a left table as the NASDAQ price history and the right table as the NASDAQ stock tickers table. So let's go ahead and write those out. Again, we are going to preface our table name by calling the database that it lives in, and it's NeonDB. Then that's going to be followed by the schema name, so public. Then it's going to be NASDAQ price history. And we already learned about alias names, so let's just go ahead and stick that right in there. So it's going to be aliased as A. Our right table is also going to come from NeonDB public schema, and it's going to be NASDAQ stock tickers. And let's give it an alias name of B. And remember, the alias name just makes it a lot easier to identify from which table each field will be pulled from. As we learned in the last video, the join is defined in between the tables in your from statement. In the inner join, we typed inner join here, and now we are going to do a left join, so we are going to type left join. And we have to define which field we are going to join and compare our data from each table on. So we are going to specify on a dot symbol, still going to be symbol, equals b dot symbol. And as a reminder, this just means let's connect the A table, stock price history, with the B table, stock tickers. The common field is going to be symbol, and where the symbol is present in both fields, we are going to append the market category from the B table. Our where statement is going to be the same as we did in the inner join. We are going to filter on the stock ticker from the A table. So we are going to call it a dot symbol in, and it's going to be AAPL for Apple and ABL for Abacus. We also filtered on the date from the A table because we only want 2023. So a dot date is going to be between 1/1/2023 written out like this and 12/31/2023 written like that. We also said let's select all fields from our A table, and we used a dot asterisk. Remember, that just picks everything from the A table. If we don't put the A period before it, it's going to pick every column from both table A and table B. So a dot star. And we want the market category from the B table. So B dot market category. Remember, case sensitivity is important in these two tables, so you have to wrap your column names in double quotes to ensure, or rather to enforce, the case sensitivity. So if we run this, we should see 24 records. We should see 12 for Apple and 12 for Abacus. Apple are right here, and Abacus is right here. And again, we have the market category. Q for Apple and S for Abacus. However, just like we did with the inner join, let's apply the same filter to our right table that we used here. Our right table only contained Apple in our example from our intro video. So let's just do the same thing. We did this on the inner join as well. I just want you to be able to see the behavior of these left joins and inner joins. So let's go ahead and apply our filter inside of our join on our B table, and we are going to filter on the symbol from our B table. Again, make sure you're being very clear with where it's coming from, equals Apple. And this is where you're going to truly see the difference between an inner join and a left join. The inner join, if you remember when we did this, it actually filtered out your abacus records and you return 12 rows only. In this case, it's not going to exclude abacus. It's just going to show you no market category for abacus because we filtered it out inside of our join. So let's go ahead and run this and see what we get. So again, we have our 12 records for Apple coming through with a market category of Q. Then we additionally have 12 records for abacus because we are using a left join. We are no longer filtering those out on the join condition. But what's different is we have a value of null in the market category because one does not exist in your stock tickers table because we are filtering out with this condition right here. In comparison, when we look at the inner join, it is the identical query. The only difference is the inner join is now a left join, and here you see only Apple being returned with a market category of Q, and we have no additional data beyond that. So inner join filters the data, left join does not filter the data, and it only displays data from your reference table or your right table. And that is a left join. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel for free learning opportunities. Visit our website at datacoaching.io to set up a free personalized consultation. We'll be offering private, group, and corporate options, and follow us on LinkedIn for special announcements. Thank you.